If you want to make your first $1,000 online, luck is on your side because in this video, I'm going to show you a proven skill that has created thousands of millionaires. The best part? You don't need experience, a degree, or even a huge investment. The hardest part is just getting started, and this guide will give you a clear step-by-step plan to get there. There are 3 steps in today's video. 1. How to use the timeless skill that made me and thousands of others a lot of money. 2. How to master this skill quickly using what I call the Cookbook Method. 3. How to turn that skill into your first $1,000 using a trusted freelancing platform. So let's get into it. Step 1. The timeless skill. The skill we're talking about is copywriting. Anytime you've opened an email, clicked an ad, or read a product page, you've seen copywriting in action. Copywriting is timeless because it's been around for centuries. As long as people can read, businesses need words that sell. And here's why copywriters get paid well. If I pay someone to write a few words that help me make more money, of course I'll pay them again and again. The best part? You don't need to be the world's greatest writer. You just need to be good enough to create results for your client. Step 2. The Cookbook Method. So how do you get good at copywriting quickly? That's where the Cookbook Method comes in. Think of it like this. If someone has never cooked before but buys Gordon Ramsay's cookbook and follows the recipes step by step, they can still make a great meal. They don't need to be Gordon Ramsay, they just need the recipe. Your cookbook for copywriting is a website called swiped.co. It's full of proven ads, emails, and sales pages that have made millions. Here's what you do. Pick one piece of copy from the site, open a blank document, rewrite it line by line in your own words. At first it may feel weird, but this is how you train your brain to recognize the structure of copy that works. You'll start noticing the little things persuasive copywriters do. How they open with a hook, how they build curiosity, and how they make the offer irresistible. For example, let's say we're rewriting an email for a multivitamin company. You'd start by listing the problems the supplement solves, then show why this particular product is special. Not just another thing you can buy at the store. That simple structure is the foundation of powerful copy. Do this with 6 to 8 examples and you'll already be far ahead of most beginners. Step 3. Turning copy into cash. Now that you've got the skill, it's time to make money. The fastest way for beginners is Upwork. It's a freelancing platform where businesses hire writers every single day. But here's the mistake beginners make. They create a weak profile and apply to every job they see. That wastes time and money. Instead, here's the right way. 1. Set up your profile like a storefront. Title yourself Email Copywriter. Upload the 6 to 8 emails you wrote using the Cookbook Method as samples. Add a short bio. Use the Cookbook Method again here, but make it personal so it doesn't look copied. Use a clean headshot. If you don't have one, use an AI headshot generator. Choose the right jobs. Search copywriting. Filter for entry-level, immediate hiring, and clients with verified payment. Look for jobs with low proposals so you're not competing with 100 people. Write strong proposals. This is where most beginners lose out. A good proposal is short, personal, and confident. Something like, "Hi Daniel, I'd love to help you with this project. I've attached a few samples of my work so you know what to expect. Send me a message when you're ready and let's hop on a call to discuss." Simple, professional, straight to the point. If you do this consistently, applying to 10 good jobs per day, it's very realistic to land your first client within 14 days and make your first $1,000. Scaling beyond $1,000. Now here's the exciting part. Once you make your first $1,000, scaling becomes easier. You've got proof, samples, and confidence. From there, 5K, 10K, even more per month becomes possible. And remember, copywriting isn't just about freelancing. It's a skill you can use to sell your own products, grow a YouTube channel, or start an agency. It's one of the most valuable skills you can learn online. So, to recap, Step 1. Learn the timeless skill of copywriting. Step 2. Use the Cookbook Method to practice fast. Step 3. Turn that skill into money on Upwork by setting up your profile the right way, picking the right clients, and sending strong proposals. Do this consistently, and you can absolutely hit your first $1,000 online. If you want to learn how to scale that into 10K a month as a copywriter, check out the video I've linked right here.